Please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Once again, good morning. Welcome back. Let's wait for others to join, then we'll begin.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Manya, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am just saying good morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so children, we were doing exercises and question answers of the chapter, right? I'm sharing screen with you. Just let me know if you have done this page. What is rotation? Have you done this answer?
Yes, ma'am, I have done this answer.
Everyone has done?
No, ma'am, I cannot done.
I have not done. Okay, hurry up. Those who have not done, what is rotation? Hurry up and do. Then I'll share the next screen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, next page.
Who all are doing this page? Please let me know how many students are doing this page.
Ma'am, please wait only 3 minutes.
In 2 minutes, I will remove this page and share the next one.
Ma'am, what is the second question and answer?
The second question is, what is revolution?
Ma'am, I note this question in that class.
Yes, very nice.
I'm not changed.
Those whose work is left of the previous page, don't worry. I will share the work on D group. You can do it from there right after the classes get over. And children, please don't send personal messages to teachers saying that, ma'am, please send this work or send that work. Every work is there on the D group. Make it a habit to check the work on D group. Okay? When teacher is posting all the work, now it is your duty to take the work from there. Again and again, the teacher is not going to send you every single work. Is anybody asking me anything?
No, ma'am.
All of you better mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done all these 4 questions.
Very nice, Vedanshu. Very quick. Now get ready by writing the next exercise.
Am
Which
I also done?
exercise?
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am. I am on question 4.
Till then, just highlight, underline, make a line after each answer. Utilize your time, okay, in beautifying the work.
Can we use sketch pens?
Yes, beta, but make sure you use a light color sketch pen. Otherwise, it will have an impression on the back side of the page.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. So can I change the page now?
No, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am.
Okay, 5 more minutes. I'll wait for 5 more minutes for everyone.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please give me.
Ma'am, I am done now.
Okay, beta. So I'm changing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, in answer number 1, what you have written after Earth?
In which question?
Ma'am, in answer 1.
The
Answer
earth
equal
moves. When the earth moves from west to east, the part of the earth that faces the sun has day.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have.
Everyone has done.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, 2 more minutes, then I will change the screen. 2 more minutes, beta. Till then, those who have done, please underline D, answer the following in detail. And this is not the end of answer 1. The answer 1 will be continued on the next page.
Ma'am, ma'am, please show the second
Okay.
question
Now, beta,
and
I'm
answer.
changing the screen, all of you.
Ma'am, but how we learn this?
What?
Ma'am, we are writing this, but in test, how we learn this?
Beta, see, it's looking like the answers are very long. But when you actually understand, you can write it on your own. Just sit down calmly once after writing all of them, and then just read them out. Okay, then you will understand that you will also realize that it is very easy.
Ma'am, can you please send the picture of the question first of answer this question in detail? The first paragraph.
What, beta?
Ma'am, can you please send the picture in the D group of how data formed first paragraph?
How days are formed. First para. I will send it. Don't worry. You leave
Ma'am,
three lines, and start writing from here. Yes.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I am saying that what is written after change in
Seasons. What causes the change in seasons?
Ma'am, please scroll down because I'm being answered the two.
Ma'am, what is written in after the
Beta, so many does are there. Which the are you asking?
Ma'am, the first line the.
The revolution of the earth around the sun, or the part away from the sun.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
What do I do, beta?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
I have written the full answer number 2.
Full answer first. Then
No,
write
ma'am,
the
full answer 2.
full.
Ma'am,
Okay, beta. Scroll down.
ma'am, please scroll down.
Aman, beta, I
Please
want to see your work. After doing your work, send it on the class group. You're doing it so fast. I actually want to see your handwriting, whether you're doing it neatly or not.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Oh no. Ma'am, can you send answer number 3 in the WhatsApp group?
Beta, why? What hurry are you in? I will send you all the work. You're doing it now in class. Just wait. Go with others.
Ma'am, done answer number 3 also.
If you will not be able to do it today, it's no problem. We will do it on Monday. What is the hurry?
Ma'am, next page. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Children, shall I
Ma'am.
change? Yes, beta.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please turn to the next page.
No, beta,
I've
not
done.
everyone
ma'am.
has not done. Akshaj, you are very fast. That doesn't mean all children are fast.
Ma'am,
Now you need to wait for others.
Ma'am, I have done.
How many of you are still doing this page?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, keep doing. After 2 minutes or three, at 11:50, I will change the page. Till then, everybody will keep quiet, all those who have done. At 11:50, the page will be changed.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Scroll down, where do I go? There is nothing below it. It is the bottom part.
Ma'am, up.
Ma'am, I have also done.
I have also done.
Ma'am, for the question first para, you said that you have to leave 3 lines.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
What, beta, what?
Ma'am, please scroll up.
And ma'am, I was saying that ma'am, for the question in the previous page, we have to leave 3 lines.
Ma'am, I was disconnected. So what we are doing?
Who is asking this question?
Akshay.
Ma'am, I was
Akshar,
disconnected.
beta, we are doing the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, those who have missed anything, this is the previous page. Aradhya, you're asking now how many lines you have to leave. See, beta, this is the previous page where you did questions of short answers. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Now sharing the next page. I hope everyone has done the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the
Yes,
leaf?
ma'am.
Okay. Next. Now after this we have one last page. Okay, where is that page gone? The page is lost.
No, ma'am.
There is nothing after it. Wait, I will send the picture. Wait. All right, now coming on to the next page, it is here. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you also have to change the paragraph like I have changed after writing 366 days. Okay, write 366 days and then change the paragraph.
Ma'am, why you have put a ma'am, why you have put a full stop after 365 days?
Why I have put a full stop after 366 days.
Ma'am, 365 days.
No, it's a comma, beta. It's a comma. It's not a full stop.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Beta, where do you want me to scroll up? There is nothing above it. What do you want to see? You want to see something above classmate also?
Ma'am,
Where
four done.
classmate is written.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please.
Children, will you be able to complete the work today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
I
have
am
the last 5 lines.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I am on fourth answer.
Okay. I will share the work in the D group today. Don't worry. If you're unable to do it from here, the class gets over. Check the group later after your school.
Ma'am, what you have write after sun? Directly of the sun.
Direct rays of the where is it? Direct rays of the sun. Thus, THUS. Thus, it has summer. At the same time, the sun's rays are slanted on the southern hemisphere. That is why it is winter in the southern hemisphere.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Beta, there is nothing below question number 4.
Ma'am, now
I
it's
am
finished.
on only two lines are left.
Okay, keep
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the class is over.
Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. I'll just restart the meeting.
Ma'am, we have to say good afternoon.
You have to do what?